Bazhou Linyu Houseware Products Co Limited was established in 2015 and is one of the leading manufacturers of cleaning products in China. The main products are including spin mops, magic mops, twist mops, flat mop, spray mop, sponge mop, broom and dustpan set, towels, magic sponge, and other cleaning items. Our factory has very obvious transportation advantage. We're located in Langfang City, which is 80 kilometers to Beijing and 70 kilometers to Tianjin Port. Our monthly production capacity is 180,000 pieces spin mops. Delivery time is 10 to 15 days. Our company strictly complies with the requirements of ISO 9001 and the products pass the third-party inspection to ensure that all products meet the requirements of customers. We have tooling workshop, injection workshop, package workshop under one roof. Thus, we can control the quality from each process. OEM and ODM service is provided to all the customers. We can make modification of tooling and logo customization according to customers' request. Our customers are coming from UK, France, Spain, Portugal, Poland, Brazil, Argentina, Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, India, etc. Our products have been supplied to retailers, wholesalers, distributors, supermarket, TV shopping channel, and online shopping channel all over the world. Most of the customers have cooperated with us for many years because of our products' quality and after-sales service. Hope we could achieve cooperation soon and benefit each other. Welcome to contact us.